So if you've been in the BMW recently, you'll know that there's these programmable keys. And I see here a lot that these will come back in on trade, or we'll get one off lease, and these keys have never been programmed. So when you run your fingers along here, you can see they've never been programmed. And they should be for convenience and for better enjoyability out of your BMW. But what happens is, if you look to see that they're not assigned, the car's probably only used half of what it can do. Because you could put 40 presets in one of these. You could put destinations in another. You could put phone numbers in another, or pages that you use a lot within the iDrive system, like vehicle status, in another. So they're not just for radio stations, and anytime you see something highlighted in red, you could program it. Like enter address, you want that to go, put it in 4, and if it can't save it, it'll let you know. But there's a quick way, instead of doing this, back, forth, here, nap, you've got one button to push, and there you go, you can enter an address. But that's just for that sequence. You can make it different things. And now for the presets, how do you get 40 in one? Just set to your presets. You go media, and I'm toggling this to the left to get to this over here. Your presets, that's what you want to save here. So I'm pressing and holding. Okay, so now it's saved. Now what are my presets? You'll have to determine those, your presets. There's never been any presets in here. So I can go AM, FM, and satellite radio all into one key, so that way when I program those 40 presets of my entertainment, all I've got to do is scroll on, and if I had 40 presets put here, they would all pop up, and I can go to them just by pushing this button in. So that's making for more convenient use of the radio and these functions right here.